crying? Is someone downstairs? Dad? Is that... Dad? Dad is crying. My dad. My strong dad. Why is he crying? Why was Dad crying? What happened?
Good morning, Lily. Ready for school?
Yes, Dad. Are you okay?
Me? Of course, I am great. Look, I made your favorite toast.
Dad! Dad! Can I have chocolate milk?
Of course, buddy.
Yes! Did you sleep okay?
Yes, fine. I slept fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine, Sarah. Really.
Lily, why are you making that face? What face? I'm not making a face. You look like this. Sam, eat your food. Lily, why are you sitting there like that? I'm thinking, Sam. About what? About Dad. Can I tell you something? Yes! Last night I heard someone crying. Crying? Who? It was Dad. Dad? Shh, keep your voice down. Lily, look. What is it? This is old. Very old. Who is that? I think this is Granddad. Granddad, but Yes, he passed away. And the house? Look at the door, it's red. I've never seen this house before. He has Dad's smile. Yeah, he does. What happened to this house? Should we ask Dad? Not yet, because Dad is hiding something. And if he is hiding it, it must be really hard. I don't like it when it's sad. Me too, Sam. Me too. Dad! I drew a lion at school today.
A lion? Show me.
His name is Max.
Max the lion. That's brilliant, buddy.
You didn't eat lunch today, did you?
I wasn't hungry.
Mom? Lily, you should be in bed. Can I ask you something? Of course, what is it? Is Dad okay? He's just tired, sweetheart. He has a lot on his mind. Mom, I heard him crying 2 nights ago in the kitchen. Yes. What's wrong with him? Is he sick?
He's not sick. Your dad, he's going through something. Something about Granddad.
The photo.
The one in his coat pocket.
The old house with the red door.
He showed you that?
No, it fell out.
That house. It was Granddad's house, where your dad grew up.
What happened to it?
They are selling it. This week.
So Dad is never going to see it again?
No, he's not.
That's why he was crying.
He didn't want to tell you. He didn't want to make you sad.
But he is sad.
Yes, he is.
He's trying to be strong for us.
Yes.
But he doesn't have to.
No, he doesn't.
We have to talk to him. We can't let him be sad alone.
Okay, Dad. Today's the day. I'm not ready. Lily, where did you...
It fell out of your coat, Dad.
Oh,
We found it, me and Sam. Is that Granddad?
yes. Yes, that's Granddad.
And the house with the red door?
That was his house.
Was?
They are selling it today, Sam.
Is that bad?
For me, yes.
Dad. I heard you 2 nights ago
You heard me.
in the kitchen. It was very late.
Oh, Lily. I thought you were asleep. I didn't want you to hear that.
Why not?
Because dads don't cry. Dads don't cry.
Yes, they do! Dad, even T-Rex must cry sometimes. T-Rex is the biggest, strongest dinosaur. And even T-Rex must feel sad sometimes.
Sam,
I am right.
maybe you're right, buddy.
Tell us, Dad. Tell us about Granddad. Tell us about the house.
This house, this was where I grew up. Every birthday, that house was full of him, full of Granddad. When I was small, smaller than you, Sam,
Smaller than me?
much smaller. Granddad used to wake me up early on Saturday mornings to go to the market, just the two of us, me and him. We walked, it was far, but he always held my hand, and he bought me one thing
A bread roll, warm, fresh from the baker.
every single Saturday. I haven't thought about that in years. When I lost the house, I thought I lost that feeling, that safe feeling. But sitting here with you both, I think maybe that feeling isn't in the house. Maybe it was always in me because he put it there.
When I feel scared, I look for you, Dad.
You do?
Yes, because when I see you, I feel safe.
Thank you, Lily. I'm sorry. I should have told you. I just didn't want to make you sad. That's my job, to protect you from sad things. But I was wrong.
You don't have to protect us from everything, Dad. That's our job too. We're your family.
I've been keeping this in the wardrobe.
What is it?
Photos.
Photos!
Old photos of Granddad, of the house, of our family.
Can we see?
This one. This is Granddad when he was young.
He looks so young.
He was about 20 here.
20, that's so old.
Sam, 20 is not old.
Compared to me, it is.
Fair point. This is the red door.
It's beautiful.
We painted it together, me and him. I remember he gave me the brush, and he said, Oliver, you paint it like you mean it, every stroke. Don't rush, take your time, make it count.
That's good advice.
He gave good advice. He just gave it while painting a door.
Dad, can we make an album? A real album, with all these photos. So we don't lose them. So we can always look at them.
You know, that's a really good idea, Sam.
I know. You are 5 years old. And you just had the best idea. Also, yes.
Okay, album it is.
I brought some tea. Photo 4 together nowble.
Sam organized across those very seriously. Good night, Lily.
Good night, Dad. Dad,
Yes?
are you okay? Really okay?
When did you get so smart?
I've been watching you for 10 years.
I'm better. Not all the way okay, but better.
That's okay. You don't have to be all the way okay.
When did you get so
I'm
smart?
watching you for 10 years.
Good night, my strong girl.
Good night, Dad.
I love you.
I love you too.
Crying is not weakness. It just means your heart is full.